Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for all things beauty. If you're in the market for a mascara that promises bold, voluminous lashes with zero clumps, you're probably already familiar with Maybelline's Volum Express Colossal Waterproof Mascara. Today, we'll be testing its claims and putting it through some real-world testing to see if it's truly the game changer it claims to be. First off, let's break down what the product promises. The Maybelline Volum Express Colossal Waterproof Mascara is designed to deliver 9 times the volume of your lashes in just one coat, thanks to its collagen-infused formula. It's a no-clump plumping mascara that promises a bold lash look with a waterproof formula, so you don't have to worry about smudging throughout the day. In terms of color, this comes in the dramatic Glam Black, ensuring your lashes pop with deep, dark intensity. Now, what's in the formula? This mascara is designed with volumizing agents, including collagen, which is often used in beauty products for its ability to plump and add fullness. The idea here is that with just one coat, you're meant to see visibly thicker and fuller lashes while maintaining a clump-free finish. During testing, I noticed how easy it was to apply. The wand is designed with a curved brush that picks up just the right amount of product, helping you coat each lash evenly. The formula itself feels lightweight, but it definitely packs a punch when it comes to volume. I tested it both on a regular day and during a high humidity workout session to really see if the waterproof aspect held up, and I can say it performed exceptionally well. What's the experience like in real life? Well, it's as straightforward as it gets. The wand shape makes it easy to coat the lashes from root to tip, and I didn't experience any smudgings out, even after a good few hours of wear. I also noticed that my lashes looked fuller and defined with just one coat, and it didn't leave any flakes behind. In terms of comfort, my lashes didn't feel stiff or weighed down, which is a plus. But no product is perfect, so let's talk about the cons. While the formula does deliver volume and stays put, the waterproof aspect can make removal a bit tricky. I had to use a good micellar water to get it all off, which isn't a big deal if you're used to waterproof makeup, but if you're someone who prefers a quick and easy makeup removal process, this may be a slight inconvenience. Also, if you like layering your mascara for even more dramatic volume, you might notice that it can become a bit more difficult to work with after a few coats, as the formula starts to dry down faster. In terms of value for money, the price point for this mascara is pretty solid. It's not a high-end mascara, but it certainly holds its own compared to similar drugstore options. If you're looking for volume, waterproofing, and a little more drama without breaking the bank, it's a worthwhile choice. When we compare it to other popular Maybelline mascaras, like the iconic Great Lash or the Falsies, it definitely sits in the middle ground. It doesn't quite have the extreme drama of the Falsies, but it delivers a very wearable, day-to-day volume, making it perfect for everyday wear. Build quality is pretty standard for a drugstore mascara, with sturdy packaging that feels solid. The wand itself is easy to use, and the formula doesn't dry out quickly, which is always a good sign. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out personally, but Maybelline is known for their reliable customer service. Should you ever have an issue with a product, their team tends to be responsive, and issues are usually resolved quickly. When it comes to alternatives, you can find plenty of mascaras in a similar price range. Some might offer different features like more curl or lengthening, but if you're specifically after volume, this one stands out for its impressive formula. So, final verdict time. The Maybelline Volum Express Colossal Waterproof Mascara lives up to its claims in terms of volume and staying power. It's a solid option if you want bold lashes that won't budge throughout the day. While it may not give the most dramatic results compared to other mascaras in its line, it's perfect for everyday wear and a reliable go-to for those who want volume without the clumps. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this mascara, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Do you love the volume, or are you team lengthening mascara? Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.